and welcome to this demo session of GPBM's website. Today I will show you how our B2B site works when you are logged in as a customer. So let's get started. So to log in, you go to this page by clicking here. And here you fill in your email address and your password. And then you click login. Now you're logged in, and the first thing that you will see is your account and your account information. To the left, you can see your favorites or your wish list. You can see products that you have saved here, which you then easily can add to the cart. And I will show you later on how to add products to this wish list. On your page, you can also see your address information. And here, you can also add new addresses by clicking this button and filling out your company name and the address, etc. Here, when you're logged in, you can also use the function Quick Order. And the Quick Order function you can find both here and also up here. The Quick Order function helps you if you quickly want to add product to the cart if you know the article number of them. So here we type in an article number, and you then immediately get the stock status, the name of the product, minimum order quantity, and also the price of the product. So let's type in also the amount of products that you want to order. Another way to add products here is to upload an Excel file. This file then requires only two columns, one containing article number and one containing the number of products you want to order. Here you can also download a template to have a look at the Quick Order Excel file. But I will just upload an Excel file here. And now we have some more products. If you forget to fill out, you can type it in here. Here we see that minimum order quantity is 10, so I added 10. Here we can also see that this is a product that is not in stock right now, but it will be back in stock in week 16. We can still add it to the cart, and then in the checkout, we can decide how we want to make the delivery. So let's add 10 here as well. Then we add it to the cart. Something else that you can do when you're logged in under your account is to have a look at the order history. Here in the order history, you can have a look at both previous and current orders. And here you can view an order, and for the current ones, you can scroll down, and here under tracking number, there will appear a tracking link, which you can click on, and then you can have a look at where your order is at. So now let's have a look at some of our products. The product you can find either here in the menu by clicking in these different categories, or you can search for a product here in the search field. Here on the product page, you find a short description of the product and also images of the product. Something else that you find here when you're logged in is the price and also the recommended selling price. You can also see if the product is in stock. If it's not in stock, it will say when it's getting back. Here you can also add to the wish list that I talked about previously to save it for later. You can compare the product with other products by adding it to the comparison list here. And if you want to have a product sheet with all the information about the product, you download a product sheet here. Down below, you have even more information about the product, a longer description here, also some specific product information and packaging information. Something else that you can do here is to download documents about the product, and when you're logged in, you can also download high-resolution images by clicking here, and then you will get the zip file. So yeah, now let's go to the cart. Here we can see what we have ordered and we have added to the cart. And now we'll go to the checkout. So now this is a pop-up, and this one is shown when there is a product that is not in stock right now. As you recall, there was a product in the quick order function when we used it that would not be in stock until week 16, and it here says that we have to scroll down and decide if we want to have the complete order with all shipped in week 16, or if we want to have a split order. So here in the checkout, you can see which delivery address there is right now, and you can also change it, either based on delivery addresses that you have already put in, but you can also create a new delivery address here. You also need to decide which day you want the shipment to be sent from our warehouse, and that you do by clicking in this calendar. If you have any comments about the delivery, please type them here. Here you will also see your payment terms and also delivery terms, as well as the overview of all of the products. And here you decide if you want to have a complete delivery in week 16 or a split delivery, yes or no. You're almost done now. The only thing left is to fill in your order number, and then you click place order. So you have placed your order and you're done. And soon you'll get an order confirmation to the email that you have applied to your account. And so thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions, write them in the comment section or get in contact with one of our salespeople at GPBM and we will happily help you. Thank you and goodbye.